My first pet. My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. I am 14 years old. I am 14 years old. I have a pet cat. I have a pet cat. My cat's name is Milo. My cat's name is Milo. My cat is black and white. My cat is black and white. Milo's paws are white. Milo's paws are white. Milo's body is black. Milo's body is black. She is very cute. She is very cute. Milo's fur is very soft. Milo's fur is very soft. Milo was a very small kitten. Milo was a very small kitten. Milo is a very big cat. Milo is a very big cat. Milo cannot have kittens. Milo cannot have kittens. She is fixed. She is fixed. Milo likes to eat. Milo likes to eat. Milo likes to play outside. Milo likes to play outside. Milo likes to hunt for birds. Milo likes to hunt for birds. Milo likes to hunt for mice. Milo likes to hunt for mice. She likes her ears scratched. She likes her ears scratched. Milo likes to sit in my lap. Milo likes to sit in my lap. Milo likes to sleep on my bed. Milo likes to sleep on my bed. Milo is a good pet. Milo is a good pet.